All right, what's going on? I'm Darwin, the CEO, founder of Sunnyside Landscapes. Right now we're here at one of our job sites that we have finished a month ago. Right now we are looking here at a amazing gas fire pit. It is nice and warm right now. We got it running. We did some really nice coping here. The main theme that we went for this patio is to keep the flow the same. So as you can see right here, we got the coping, more right here, different colors. And then we also kept the black pavers around, same way you see it on the patio also. We even went ahead and included it into our kitchen. You can see right there, we added it to our kitchen also. And one thing that I'm super happy about this grill, it actually lights up on the buttons. And then you can see that once you turn it on, it changes color from blue to red actually. We went ahead and added some extra cabinets. We added a medium-sized green egg and then more extra cabinets here. The customers are gonna have here plenty of space to have cookouts, eat at the table. They already have everything set up to enjoy it. It's plenty of space to sit around the fire pit. We also added landscape throughout the whole patio landscape. And we also added landscape lighting. We wrap it around, and one thing I want to talk about right here, these are custom made rails by us. We made them. We had them painted. We were really cautious with it so we don't paint the black rails right here. So all of this right here, it was redone by us. It was covered before. They want to see more sun. We will go around the house, and you're gonna see that we did that all around the house with the rails right there, new plants. We added new landscape beds right there. And we're gonna go ahead and be doing some before and after pictures. In the before pictures, you're gonna be able to see how overgrown these trees were. They were really overgrown. We went ahead and cut them back, trim them. And we didn't just trim them, we trimmed those trees to be identical to each other. There's one on this corner, and then there's one on the other corner. And our goal was to make those trees look identical. All right, and then another thing that we did here was we changed the rails right here also. But these rails, we couldn't do the black trim how we did it over there. Instead, we had to do composite. So all of this right here is composite. Really cool. I like the design right here. Really cool. And we made that to match also on the other side. All right, we wrap it around the house, and then on this side of the house we didn't do much, but we still kept the flow going with the lighting, the tree, and the rails. And right now all the plants are dying. Of course, it's fall, winter is coming, so prepare. These rails, as you can see, they do not have the design. These are more simple. It's just what the client wanted. And we got some landscape lighting, so that's really cool. I love the color. So guys, anyone that's gonna be seeing this video, you right now, I'm talking to you. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 317-502-2113. Or you can reach us out by going into our website, checking some information at Sunnyside Landscapes LLC.com. Until next time.